I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane, guys. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments. I'm going to be sure to get back to you guys and help you fix your issues. So, hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free TikTok coins 2025. So as you can see, I have nothing, but in the mod I can actually get unlimited coins. So I set it to 999, so I'm going to press unlock. So let's see if it unlocks it. You can see it's initializing my device. So let's see what happens. So yeah, it's working its magic. Alright, so we're just gonna wait and see if we get free TikTok coins, guys. I think it's gonna work, honestly. Okay, it says 999 coins were added. And bang, it's working! Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this onto your device so you too can get free TikTok coins in 2025. So let's get straight into the video. And I'm gonna show you guys how to download it. So the first step is gonna be going to this website called tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. So once you're on this site, guys, just go on the search bar, type TikTok, press install. So now we just got to verify our device. So what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, I'll just give it a second for this to load up here, as you can see. So yeah, I'll just give it a second. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Alright, so it's loading right now. So yeah, I literally just got to download 2 of these apps and complete the instructions, which is 100% free to do. So as you can see, it says missing files, so I just got to download some of these. So you can see like TikTok down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that one. Or I could do, Travel Town, you got to reach level 9. Facts from iPhone, you got to search something up. So just make sure you download 2 of them, you're going to be all set. That's how I get free TikTok coins today. So it's super crazy, guys. It actually works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, just download 2 of the apps, follow instructions, and then you go tweakmod.com, guys. That's the website. So try it out. Peace out.